When durability, stability, and patient comfort matter, the Norco 2-section Beechwood treatment table delivers a dependable solution for everyday clinical use. Built with solid hardwood construction and durable 2¼ inch legs, this table is designed to provide a sturdy foundation during examinations and treatments. An H-brace design adds stability, while the full laminate shelf offers convenient storage for commonly used supplies. The adjustable backrest smoothly adjusts between 0 and 70 degrees, supporting a variety of patient positions and clinical workflows. An automatic hands-free locking mechanism holds the backrest securely at the selected angle. For patient comfort, the table features 2 inches of firm foam padding paired with easy-to-clean black PVC upholstery, well suited for busy treatment environments. A contoured face opening with a removable face plug allows for flexible positioning when prone support is needed. With a 600-pound weight capacity and a fixed height of 31 inches, this table is designed to accommodate a wide range of patients while maintaining a stable, grounded feel. The Norco 2-section Beechwood treatment table is in stock, ready to ship immediately, and can be assembled quickly using basic tools, helping clinics get up and running quickly. Optional accessories, including a face cradle and arm support, allow clinics to customize positioning and help enhance patient comfort during prone treatments. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, the Norco 2-section Beechwood treatment table offers a practical balance of strength, comfort, and reliability, designed to support everyday care in clinical settings. For more information, visit ncmedical.com or contact your authorized healthcare reseller.